Hello and welcome to your 5-minute lesson VIP Badass Facebook membership marketing club. We are here today and I've got a 5-minute lesson for you to help you save time on content creation and being able to share the things that you want to share on your Facebook page. Creating content can be a huge time consuming activity, and this little trick has saved me so much time, and it allows me to find things that I love to share on my Facebook timeline for my profile that I don't want to share right at that moment, but I want to be able to do it later. And of course, we cannot schedule shares, but I've got a trick that I'm going to share with you in this 5-minute lesson. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, here I am on my Facebook timeline. This is my personal feed. I'm not on my page, I'm on my personal feed. And I see something like this video that you can see here, types of neighborhood Facebook group moms. I think this is hysterical. I've seen this a number of times over the last couple of days, and it would be a really good fit for my page. But right now is not the best time to share it. I've just had something go out a couple of hours ago on my page, and I want to make sure that I share it at the right time on my page. But if I click the share button here, Facebook's going to make me put it out on the page immediately right now, and I don't want that. I want to save this for down the road, but there's no easy way to do that until recently. All you have to do is click on these little 3 dots at the very top of the post. Click on those and click Save Video. So what's happened now is I've told Facebook I like this content and to save it on my profile. So when it's saved, I can then schedule it later on. Here's how you do that. On your profile, on the left-hand side where all your tabs are, partway down, depending on how long yours is, you'll see saved. Click on that and that will take you to a folder on your profile associated just to you that has all of your saved content. I've saved so many things on this. It's crazy how much I've saved. Now you can make collections for your savings. So I've got a collection of one fellow here, Dennis, that I know. He posts amazing things. So I have a collection just for him. I have a collection for business. So posts that I see, kind of like a swipe file, things that I want to look at again that give me ideas, inspiration, possibly connections I want to make, things I want to sign up for, all kinds of things go under there. Recipes, I have a collection. So any food that I see that I love, that I want to make, or that I want to share in my recipe exchange group, it gets saved in that collection. So right now, this isn't in a collection because it's just here open. It's not in a collection yet. So you can see there's all kinds of things that I've got saved, and I've got to go through and put some of them in collections to make it easier to find them down the road. So here is the post that I just saved about those Facebook group moms. So I can share it right away if I'd like. I could add it to a collection, and of course I could create a new collection if I wanted to. I could do like a funny memes collection or whatever it is. I could create a new collection. The 3 dots, you could click them, mark as open, or unsave it. If you've used it and you're not going to use it again, unsave it, don't keep it. That's not what we're going to do. We're going to click on the name of the video. Let's say this is a week after I've saved it. And we're going to click on it, or later today, and that opens the video in a new window. And sure, I don't want to hear it. I'll stop it. There we go. So, I mean, I could share it right from here right now if I wanted to, but I'm not always going to be on my computer when I want to share it. But I could also copy this dedicated URL right here at the top of the page. This URL opens that video. If I copy that and then go to my Facebook page, let's get to my page, wait for it to load. Here we go, I'm on my page now. And I'm going to go in this post, I'm going to make a post, just like I would normally make a post. I'm going to put in the URL. There's the video now for me. I'm going to click down and I'm going to put my own comment in there. Which one are you? And there's my post. There's the video directly on there. I could click publish but I don't want to put it out right now. I want to schedule it. So I'm going to click the little drop down arrow here beside publish. I'm going to click schedule, and I'm going to click on the calendar to select what day I want it to go out. I'm going to have it go out today, but I'm going to have it go out later this evening, like after kids have gone to bed. So when moms are sitting down watching, I'm going to have it go at 8 o'clock tonight, and then I'm going to click schedule. And now that video that I found right now has been saved and scheduled to go out on my page at a time when it's right for my audience to see it and for me to get the best connection from it. So that's your 5-minute lesson on how to schedule content that you find on Facebook to share at a later time. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in another lesson.